How to save and download Instagram messages. First things first, access your Instagram application and make sure that you're currently logged into your account. Then once you're fully logged in, go to the three lines at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy. Now go to accounts center. Scroll down a bit until you find your information and permissions. Now download your information and then just click or tap on the box right here that says download or transfer information. Now from here, you'll have to choose on a profile or account in which where you wanted to obtain those information. For example, this one. Click on next. Now choose on some of your information. Now since we're only talking about the messages, just tap on messages and hit next. Now choose on download to device. From here, you'll just have to tap on create files, and then once you tap on create files, it will automatically download itself. So that's basically how you obtain or just how you save and download Instagram messages.